Yeah, yeah, no, it's my mum really. No, I'm only joking. Yeah, it was my dad. That's what he did for 20 odd years professionally. So yeah, we just grew up with bikes as kids. It wasn't the real intention to go out there and try and be bike races. It was another hobby when we were kids really, and as we got older we kind of narrowed those hobbies down, and then bike racing was the one that was left really. So yeah, it's been so far for me, I'm only 25, but the opportunities and the places I've got to go through bike racing has been incredible, and yeah, very, very grateful. Yeah, it's great. Steve, my team manager, has had this team for 5 years now, and it's not a long time compared to a lot of the other teams. So to have the season that we've had this year with me and Jason, it's been incredible. Lots of race wins, lots of podiums, and it's all down to the team really for the work they've put in these past 5 years. It's not been easy at times, but this year it's come good. For me, I'm not the biggest person. I'm about 4'11", so trying to grip onto a big 230 horsepower bike, it's tough. So having those tank grips is really good for me. I've used them since 2014, I think, when I first rode a 600. So I've used them for a long time, and I've always put them on my practice bike and stuff. So I've had the same style of tank grip since 2014, pretty much. So yeah, it's another tool to have on your bike really, to be able to grip that tank. If you don't have them, it's quite a shiny surface on the painted polished surface, so you do slide about a lot. Some people prefer not to have them, but for me it's a massive benefit, and yeah, we have a great relationship with the Eazi-Grip guys. Then we've had it for a long time with Matt as well in the garage, so yeah, very lucky to be supported by such a good brand. I don't even have my license, so no, I don't have my bike license. I just have my race license. I get my kicks riding a superbike around circuits, and I'd like to have my license and like the idea of riding, but for now, whilst I'm still young, just stick to circuit racing. Maybe when I'm older, I can push out onto the roads a little bit more. At the moment, I honestly don't know. I'd love to ride in BSB again with the McAMS Yamaha team. I've ridden for them for nearly 5 years now, and it's been an incredible journey so far. Since day one, I've always said I'd love to go to World Superbike, and it's something that I've openly said and I'd like to do in the future. I want to push myself a little bit more and go to different countries and experience different tracks. I got a taste of it when I was a little bit younger in a championship that I was involved in, and then also in 2017 when I did Moto 2. So if I got to go to World Superbike next year, then it'd be amazing, but if not, I get to ride for a great team here in BSB.